Morning everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling to wake up in the morning just like Mochi does, all you need is some healthy breakfast recipe to energize you for the whole day. Both recipe only takes around 15 minutes and you can make them ahead of time. Without further ado, let's get started. The first recipe is whole wheat banana waffle bowls. Let's start with smashing 2 ripe bananas in a bowl. Add a 3/4 cup of oat milk. Make sure you mix it well. Now you add a cup of whole wheat flour, some vanilla extract, baking powder, and you mix. Now grease the waffle maker. Add the waffle mixture. And wait for it to be cooked. Be careful when you try to take it out because mine broke a little, but hey, still tastes good. Add some dark chocolate. This is 85% dark chocolate. Here spread is some Greek yogurt. And some frozen berries. Drizzle honey. Here's our healthy banana waffle bowls. The second recipe is a savory vegetarian oatmeal bowl. Let's start looking at the ingredients. Almost everything here is from Trader Joe's because who doesn't like Trader Joe's? Here we have some mushroom umami seasoning, 1 egg, some raw oats, half of the onion, meatless breakfast patty, frozen corn, and lemon. I'm starting with adding roughly around 1 cup of rolled oats into a pan. I'm eyeballing here because, Asian style. Then roughly 2 cups of boiling water into the pan. Then we turn the stove to medium to low heat after the water starts boiling again. Cutting the onions into slices. Here I took around 2 pieces of the breakfast meatless sausage and cut them into chunks. In a hot pan, add some avocado oil. Add the onions to caramelize until fragrant. Now you can see the color start to turn brown. Then we add the sausage. Add some mushroom seasoning. Salt. Pepper. Add in the frozen edamame. You don't have to defrost here. And the frozen corn. Then we add the whole mixture into the cooked oats. Now we fry an egg. Add some salt and pepper as well. And serve. Here I added some Trader Joe's everything but bagel seasoning. It's good with everything, seriously. And broke the yolk. This is my favorite part. Let me try. Honestly, it tastes so good. That's why I'm smiling. Now Mochi's up. Time to make him some breakfast. Thank you for watching.